Do you know which color scheme is used here? Analogous color scheme. We are going to learn today analogous color scheme and discuss more paintings of Paul Cezanne, father of modern art. Also, I am going to tell you 5 tips to improve your composition. Hey, I am Kalyani Bhogle and you are watching Art Studio. Let us start with 5 tips. If you want to draw a figure or portrait in the painting, don't place it in the center, okay? It will make very boring. Okay. If you want to draw landscape and seascapes and you are making parts, you want to draw sky, then sea and then coast, don't make same parts, okay? See, like this in here, in this painting. See, the area of the sky is different, area of water is different, and this sand area is different, okay? So make sure. Means in all, we are breaking equal. I know we have always trained in our schools and in academics, make everything in equal proportion, draw straight lines, and yes, another tip, don't ever use scales to draw trees or to anything at all in painting, okay? Please don't use scales, okay? If you want to still use scale like this, okay? So you will draw curve lines. Jokes apart, actually nature is all about curve lines, so don't use straight lines, don't use scales, okay? I guess you got my point. Okay, 4th tip is, if you want to draw same objects, okay, in distance, don't draw in equal distance, in same distance. Whenever you see some same spaces, same shapes, erase it and draw it again, okay? Draw those things rhythmically. Interesting, make them in variety, okay? People like variety, so draw different shapes. For example, you are drawing trees, don't draw trees with same shape, okay? Use variety. Okay, I guess that's it for tips today. Hey, don't go away. I am going to tell you story. Actually, we are going to discuss paintings of Paul Cezanne. But to know importance of Paul Cezanne, the father of modern art, we need to know something. Long back in Western world, artists painted paintings like religious painting, very monotonous painting, very smooth painting like this. Those paintings were beautiful and idealistic, but not reality. Then afterwards, people painted reality. And then after 1800, some painters like Monet and Van Gogh brought color, okay? So paintings become colorful, wow. Then after that, one step ahead, Cezanne tried to paint different things, okay? See his paintings. He tried to paint structures. To me, Paul Cezanne was like a scientist. He gave his whole life experimenting with colors and forms, shapes and structure. He wanted to paint structure in particular space. So he gave new vision, new dimension to painting world. And that's why he is a father of modern art. Okay, that is the greatness of his painting. See this painting of mountain. He done these paintings on the spot, plein air painting, not from photograph. How to create color harmony with analogous color scheme. So what is analogous color scheme? Analogous color scheme means neighboring colors. Remember, we learn primary color, secondary color, tertiary color and complementary color scheme. Now here, what is analogous color scheme? Analogous color scheme is 3 colors, neighboring 3 colors, okay? Then when you see here, we can see orange, yellow, orange and yellow. These are three neighboring colors. And here blue, blue violet and violet are three neighboring colors. So these are analogous colors. Actually, we can create beautiful harmony like these paintings. See these paintings. We can create beautiful harmony with analogous colors because they are neighboring colors. Okay, so it is very easy to create harmony as compared to complementary colors with the help of these analogous colors. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click on bell icon. Okay, so you will get notification. I will reply back to you. Okay, give suggestions if you want to learn any topic, if you want to know about any artist, want to discuss paintings of any other artist, please let me know through your comments. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टाटा.